uh, happened in March, but inshallah the board meeting of the fund is there and we get the final tranche and we move on. Now, where do we go from here? One of the reasons why we initiated discussions with the fund to go for a longer and a larger program is for two reasons. One is to bring permanence in this macroeconomic stability. That's number one. The second thing is the execution of the structural reform agenda. और मैं असर आपके कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में बड़ी देर से मैं कहता रहा हूँ कि इस मुल्क को पॉलिसी प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We know the what and why for the longest time. We just don't do it. So it's now the how part of it and we have to get into the execution mode. और इसमें तीन key areas हैं. One is sort of tax to GDP or broadening the tax base. We are hovering around 9%. When I was with some of the investors in UAE yesterday, and they went straight into Chat GPT when I said it's sort of tax to GDP is hovering around 9%, and they gave me the neighboring countries in Southeast Asia, और वो सब हमें पता है. कोई 16% पे है, कोई 18% पे है, कोई 20% पे है. We all know we need to move towards sustainability. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. And I'll come back to that in a moment when I say we are in an execution mode. क्यों हम कहते हैं कि we are in execution mode? The second thing, which is a huge priority, and all of you know better than I do, is the energy equation. Whether it's on the power side or it's on the petroleum side, and I appreciate the petroleum minister and the power minister are going to be here addressing you later on in the conference. So I won't steal their thunder, but it's so critical that we fix this equation, because जो भी हम करना चाहते हैं from an industrial perspective or from getting our export base right, we are not going to get there if we don't fix this issue. And I'll come back to that. The third thing is the SOE reforms, and therefore accelerating the privatization agenda. In the very first week, the Prime Minister said the government has no business in being in business, and therefore all operating units, all ministries, we have to step up to ensure कि ये जो drag है SOEs का, इसको हम privatization की तरफ लेकर जाएं. So I'll just spend a couple of minutes in terms of the execution part of it, and then we can say where do we go from here in terms of road to markets. क्योंकि मैं बार-बार ये चीज़ repeat करूँगा as we go forward कि how do we get out of the fund program, and that's the only way is to have a very clear roadmap in terms of road to markets. But before we go there, let's come to these three items. So जो tax का जो element है, उसके दो पहलू हैं. One is the policy and the enforcement gap, and the other is obviously bringing in the undertaxed and untaxed sectors into the net. जो enforcement वाला discussion है, वो बहुत important discussion है. उसके दो पहलू हैं again. One is where we have the functionality and we just haven't done it. So track and trace की हमारे पास functionality है, implementation is lax, and therefore operational effectiveness is very limited. तो वो ये जो enforcement elements हैं, इनको हमने दुरुस्त करना है. उसी के सिलसिले में there are about 1.7 trillion की litigation is pending with the tax tribunals. अब इस फिगर को आप देखिए कि इस साल का जो बजट है वो is 9.4 trillion, and inshallah we are well on our way to meet that budget, but we don't make decisions as a country. जो मैं बार-बार बात में कहता रहा हूँ कि छोटा से छोटी कंपनी हो, बड़े से बड़ा मुल्क हो, timely decisions, timely executions. So in conjunction with the Law Minister and Attorney General, and I'm very grateful to them, क्योंकि ये चीज़ एग्जेक्टिव के पास है. क्योंकि मुझे किसी ने कहा कि आप चीफ जस्टिस से क्यों नहीं जाकर बात करते. चीफ जस्टिस तो मैं उस वक्त जाकर बात करूं अगर ये हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट का मामला हो. ये तो ट्राइब्यूनल्स हैं. ये ट्राइब्यूनल्स वो हैं जहां से एफबीआर के लोग जाते हैं और लॉ मिनिस्ट्री से लोग जाते हैं. दैट्स हाउ दीज ट्राइब्यूनल्स आर स्ट्रक्चर्ड. सो इट्स वेरी मच इन द डोमेन ऑफ द एग्जेक्टिव. सो वी नीड टू फिक्स इट, नॉट द कोर्ट. और इनकी एज आई सेड लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब की मदद से we have requested these tribunals that they make decisions in the next 3 to 4 months. And we will also change people in these tribunals as we go forward. So ये तो वो है चीज़ें जो हमारे control में है, and we need to fix them in terms of short-term measures, and we have already started this thing. We are not waiting for EFF, we are not waiting for the extended facility, because ये चीज़ें हमारे control में हैं. And then of course bringing in from the undertaxed and untaxed, और उसमें हमें provinces के साथ भी मिलकर चलना पड़ेगा और उनकी मशावरत से चलना पड़ेगा, because some of the tax aspects are now very much after a devolved situation is in their purview. So उनकी भी हम मदद हासिल करने की इंशाल्लाह इसमें कोशिश करेंगे as we bring these sectors into the net as well, so that we start moving towards 13 to 14% of tax to GDP into a more sustainable range inshallah in the next 3 to 4 years. The next one is, as I said, energy, और चूँकि ministers खुद आ रहे हैं वो खुद बात करेंगे. I think Awais is already working on, first of all, dealing with the corporate governance. वहाँ भी यही सिलसिला है कि जो leakages हैं in the system, and leakages are euphemism for outright theft, and therefore the enforcement element has to come in on that side in the short term, and then whatever we are trying to do in terms of जो corporate board हैं distribution companies के, उनको reduce किया जाए, उसमें private sector के लोगों को ज़्यादा लाया जाए, and he's working on it, and I'm sure he'll talk about it when he's here with all of you. और उसके बाद in distribution companies को हमने private sector में कैसे लेके जाना है, whether we go the concession route a la Turkey or we actually go for the privatization route, remains to be seen. But as far as I'm concerned, it can be a combination of both as well. और इसमें GenCos का है, gas allocations का issue है, whether we are going with the right merit order, etc. Because a lot of thing is that the demand is going down, we are going off grid, उसकी वजह से capacity payments बढ़ रही हैं. So we have to look at this equation very holistically between the power minister and the petroleum minister and myself as we go forward, and inshallah we'll do that in the medium term on that aspect. बाकी रही SOE reforms की और privatization की, as you see, PIA is an asset which is in play right now. उसके expression of interest जा चुके हैं. We are expecting the bids to come in. और उसकी simple बात ये है कि we cannot afford these type of losses year after year after year. It's as simple as that. और हमारे neighborly country में जब ये चीज़ गई है, whether it's a foreign investor or local investor, it's the airline there is looking very good and working very well. The other is Islamabad Airport, उसमें भी interest आ रहा है, but we want to accelerate this privatization agenda as we go forward. तो इसलिए ये जो IMF वाली discussion होती है, तो वो आमतौर पे ये पूछा जाता है कि जी अब और आप पे वो क्या करने वाले हैं? कुछ नहीं करने वाले. If these are the kind of things which we need to do as a country, I keep on repeating that this is therefore Pakistan's program, which is helped, supported, assisted by the fund. इसको हमें इस तरह देखना है because ownership भी उसी तरह आएगी. अगर हमने ये कहते रहे कि कोई आके हमारे से करवा रहा है, कुछ नहीं करवा रहा है. Because this is our requirement as a country if we want to get out of the trap that we are in at this point in time. And we are very committed to actually, inshallah, get it done. Now, coming to the IMF, we had very good discussions in Washington with a view that we go for a larger and a longer program. People keep on asking me कि उसका हुजम क्या होगा, उसकी duration क्या होगी. That is only, we'll start getting into the contours of that program when the mission is here, inshallah, in middle of May. Or we are hoping if all goes well and we agree on the prioritization, and I have no reason to believe we will not agree with the prioritization, because जो हमारी priorities हैं ultimately those have to be supported by the fund, और वो हम inshallah agree कर लेंगे. But we are still hoping that we can get into a staff level agreement by the time June is done or early July, so that we can move on. IMF is a means to an end, not an end in itself. क्योंकि बात यही होती है कि 24th प्रोग्राम में आप जा रहे हैं, तो आप कभी इसके बाद भी कोई प्रोग्राम होगा और उसकी ये मैं 2-3 चीज़ें कहूँगा कि इफ़ यू वांट टू ब्रिंग परमानेंस इनटू दैट देन द रोड टू मार्केट. नाउ रोड टू मार्केट हैज sort of 3 components to it. One is जो हमारा होम ग्रोन डिस्कशन है, which is making sure that the export equation gets right. So on the textile side, I think I have to say full.
मज़ीद हालात हाज़रा से बाखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल iPoint TV को सब्सक्राइब करें.